Bitcoin is about to break a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's see if we can get 5 likes on this video. As you guys can see on Bitcoin, we currently are breaking above that crucial level at 19.5. I mentioned to you guys that this level is going to be extremely important for Bitcoin in the short term. If we do break above this level, we can start looking for some bullish momentum. Now, yesterday we did point out a beautiful U-shaped formation, which looks like it's playing perfectly on Bitcoin. We did see a fake out right over here. I told you guys that usually tends to happen. It doesn't usually go straight up, right? You will see a breakout formation like this. We saw that breakout formation. We had a rejection candle still holding above those exponential moving averages. And I know a ton of people started to short at this level right here, hoping that this was invalidation. But you can see that Bitcoin actually continued pushing higher. We are followed by 3 green candlesticks and holding that resistance down 19.5. Now, the next question is going to be whether or not we can actually truly hold this level and continue pushing forward. I'll go ahead and show you guys exactly what that's going to look like. All right, so when you're trading on Bitcoin here at 19.5, you're already seeing a resistance level here right at this 19.6 to the 19.3 level. This is very common. You can see from previous price action that usually tends to happen before we actually see that larger move up. And you can see over here too, we saw the same 2 wicks before we actually saw this massive move pushing forward. Now, the next take profit level for Bitcoin will be around that $19.8 to $20,000 level. That's going to be a very crucial level for Bitcoin. And of course, if we can get above that $20,000 level, we can start looking for the next resistance at 20.7. That 20.7 overall level is going to be extremely important for Bitcoin because that's where you can see we held that support level multiple times and acted as a resistance from previous price analysis. Right over here, we saw this major consolidation pattern and hitting the support level multiple times. So we know that's going to act as a very strong resistance for Bitcoin overall. We want to be careful. As you guys can see, we are pretty much heading over into overbought territory. So it's going to be extremely important to play our cards right here and look for a proper confirmation on Bitcoin before we actually see the larger move. Again, for those of you that don't know what a proper confirmation might look like, is we're looking for a 3-test confirmation. Basically, these 3 wicks right here, you see at the bottom, we're looking for the 3 wicks at the bottom and then a push forward for that consolidation or confirmation rather. Now, again, on the 1 hour time frame, we have a much clearer break, but we have to be very careful here. On the 1 hour, we started to see 5 candlesticks holding below that resistance level, but now we have that final breakout pushing forward. We already had a final breakout right at this level, and we saw this massive move to the downside, breaking that 19.6, heading right back down to the 19.4. We have to be careful about that too, but we are still holding above the exponential moving averages. By doing so, this is acting as a great support level for Bitcoin, and we can continue pushing higher. Now, of course, what's going to happen if we break above this at 19.7, actually break those previous highs? We can start looking for an area of resistance around that $20,000 level for that major bounce off that support. If we see a pattern like this where Bitcoin actually breaks above to that $20,000 level, we see that support level hit at 19.5 and a continuation, that's going to be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.